Every morning used to feel like a losing battle with my own bed. I wasn't tired, I was just numb, dragging myself through another day on autopilot. Then, I didn't try to run 10 miles. I built a morning routine that made me want to wake up. It flipped the switch from numbness to high-clarity focus by optimizing my first 90 minutes. Here is the 7-step system you can use to start driving the car of your day. Step 1. Wake up in the noise-free zone, 5:30 a.m. If your first touch is your screen, you already lost the battle for attention. Move your phone out of the bedroom. Use a physical alarm clock. Protect the quiet window before the world starts demanding your reaction. Protect that first hour of mental peace at all costs. Step 2. Ice water activation, the dopamine hack. This is not a trend, it's a physiological command. A brief cold rinse can boost dopamine by up to 250%, clearing sleep inertia and forcing your system into an alert state faster than caffeine. Practice intentional breathing through the shock. Do it for the immediate mental clarity, not just the temporary shock. Step 3. Mental realignment. Anchor your focus, 10 minutes. Spend 10 minutes in intentional silence. No Wi-Fi, no music. Reconnect with your core purpose. This ensures you anchor yourself in your goals, not the noise and opinions of the world. Step 4. Tactical journaling. The CEO's 3-bullet plan. We are not writing memoirs, this is a tactical planning session. Every morning, complete these 3 prompts. 1. Grateful for. Anchor in abundance. Reduce stress. 2. Make today great. One specific high-impact task. 3. Must not do. One distraction or negative habit to avoid. This acts as your Google Maps for the brain. You identify the target, the key action, and the roadblock before you start driving. If your excuse is lack of time, check your screen time. You have 9 minutes for your future. Step 5. Move your body, agency before aesthetics. Morning movement is about conquering resistance. Motion creates emotion. Even a 10-minute incline walk makes the rest of your day feel manageable. Your body is the first business you run. Optimize its energy first. Step 6. Strategic 10-minute work block. Before checking email or client calls, dedicate 10 minutes to the highest leverage task for your business or career. This could be writing a key paragraph, outlining a project, or reviewing your annual goals. This ensures your best morning energy is spent creating value, not consuming or reacting. Step 7. The no-scroll zone. Protect your output. Most consume more in the first hour than they create all day. Rule: no checking social media or non-urgent messages until after breakfast. If it's urgent, they'll call. Your focus is the priority. You don't need a new app, you need a new system. Try one thing tomorrow. If you feel 1% more focused, drop a comment below and type 1%. Like and subscribe if this helped you build your high-clarity life. See you in the next one. Thank you.